Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G24 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's open the Play Store application and at the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we could see this application. Tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Tap to open button to open the app. Click to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher. Tap twice to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check how our keyboard look. So we could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as the whole of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.